Guys, today's video is going to be kind of a combination of things. I recorded a video while CJ was here. We lost one video in its entirety, I believe, but I think there's some content I still have. I still have a Christmas video for sure, and a little bit of other stuff. Today's video is going to be a couple of very specific, strange things. First of all, it's going to be just some kind of incidental videos.
I asked CJ to fix my eyebrows, and this is what that bitch gave me. I should have known better. Look at her.
We are at Five Below, which is the best store in the universe.
Ever.
Yeah, so we're gonna go spend some money.
Yes,
we might film in there. We might also get kicked out for that, so we're gonna do what doesn't get us kicked out.
That's right.
All right, bye. There will also be footage of my Thanksgiving. Hey everybody, man, I am full. I am sitting on my parents' front porch after eating too much food. We gotta do this again tomorrow. It's like I'm in a game of chicken with diabetes. I think diabetes is gonna win this one. And it is after Thanksgiving. Everybody is talking. We're just kind of hanging out. See, there's people. It's all the people. Oh, now I'm out of focus. Who needs focus? You know who I am. You're on my channel. Max. There's the Max. So happy. The pupper. There is footage of my book signing. We are on our way to my book signing. I'm nervous. I'm going by myself. Travis is in theory gonna come later. I think my parents are planning on coming, but I'm nervous. Like super nervous. Do I look nervous? The whole internet gets to see how nervous I am. Hello, whole internet. I'm very nervous. That's how nervous I am. Speed bump! Alright, here I go. I am pulling into the parking lot. And then I'm going to go to my book signing. Here I go! Straight up jolly in here, which I'm sure you guys know is like a shtick. Jolly. So I stepped outside to smoke on my e-cigarette because things are a little slow right now. We're just started. I'm really anxious, trying super hard not to be anxious, but I'm so anxious. I thought my parents were coming. Haven't seen them yet either. Who knows, maybe they won't. Maybe I'll be here all by myself the whole time. I mean, not all by myself. I know other people. But, like, my people aren't here. Hi, it's almost 4. My parents are here. Say hi to the internet. It's the whole internet. That's gonna go on my video, and they won't watch it. David Bowie is behind me. I wish he was really behind me. Not now. That would be gross. Alright, so it's 20 after 4. We're still chilling here. My parents left. I'm all alone. Not really, I know people. It is almost 5 o'clock p.m. We go till 6. I'm standing outside smoking my e-cigarette. It's dark out. I don't know if you can tell that, but it is. It is dark. Things are going okay. However, I am still weirdly nervous, even though there's an hour left and that's it. Now there's a line for the bathroom. I'll probably just pee my pants. Fuck it. And then a little bit of just kind of, there's some Sims and some other things like that. So I hope you enjoy. Sorry it's not more. As some of you may know, I had a computer failure. My stream stopped. My husband and I started hearing this rhythmic noise while CJ was in the other room doing something else, and we couldn't figure out what it was. It was like this rhythmic buzzing. We searched and searched for it, and then Travis decided that he could hear it in my computer. He said it was in my computer and told me to restart my computer, so I restarted my computer. When I restarted my computer, it said no hard drive. I lost all of my Nano, and I lost my edits on Gryffindale that I had done prior to Nano, but this computer was like 5 months old. There was really no reason for this. I believe the hard drive is like inaccessible at this point without like some real expense, and I'm just not. Nothing that I've done is worth like a great deal of money, so I won't be fixing that. I'm just kind of calling it a loss. I'm not too worried about it, but that's where that's at. Anyway, that's why you're getting some of this footage later, but I hope you enjoy all of this ridiculousness, which also includes me being intoxicated. So I'm making a sim YouTuber. His name's Jefferson McGovern, and he wants to be world famous. He's a geek so that he'll like the computer, and then he's ambitious and self-absorbed. So if you can't tell, because the coloring's kind of weird, he is in fact green with blue hair. So check him out. He's gonna be famous.
blizzard.
Blizzard.
No, Sarah's a lunatic blizzard.
Why is it bright?
I don't know. Oh, mine has a light on it. Good grief.
Some animal went through the yard. It's probably a cat. I want to be my friend. I'm drunk, and it is a Christmas blizzard.
It's not a Christmas blizzard. Stop saying that.
No, I don't. It's so cold.
Are you ready to go in now, you crazy person? I'm done with you. I can't. I just can't. Oh, my husband's gonna catch us.
Your opinions do not matter to me. I repeat to you, Christmas blizzard. Hey everybody, CJ wants me to start to appreciate the inside of my fucking house. So I'm gonna try to do some of that, but I got the hiccups. Like a drunk mouse in a cartoon movie. Or like the little tiny 6-inch people in Willow. Yeah, that's right, I watch Willow, bitches. CJ is challenging the veracity of the Christmas of my blizzard, and that may result in me going back out in the Christmas blizzard, so she better watch herself. I'll make her go back out in the Christmas blizzard.
I'm just trying to go enjoy the Christmas blizzard. It's a Christmas blizzard. We're celebrating Christmas in this here blizzard. And now I'm in the goddamn Snorlax. CJ, why do you want to ruin my dreams? I'm recording this. I can post on the interwebs. Record drunk and edit sober. Oh, this is the Christmasest of Christmas blizzards.
Insane.
There's a whole stair there. Travis is up in the upstairs apartment running a World of Darkness game. He has no idea I'm outside. He wondered where I was going in all this gear. Out to the Christmas blizzard, I said. No, I didn't. I didn't tell him. It's none of his business where I'm going. He's hiding upstairs. It's cold outside. What am I supposed to do out here?
I don't know. You're the one who wanted to come out.
I'm to celebrate
Do people
Christmas.
see this? Like, this is insane.
I'm celebrating Christmas, CJ.
It's not freaking Christmas, Sarah. Wait until Christmas.
It's close enough.
You're gonna get us arrested for disturbing the
Get
peace.
arrested.
You're also making a lot of noise at midnight.
You're making a lot of noise at midnight.
I'm not the one yelling Christmas blizzard.
Christmas blizzard. My husband doesn't care that I'm outside in a Christmas blizzard all by myself.
You're not outside all by yourself, you dumbass.
I could be starving. He does not care that I'm starving in a Christmas blizzard. Hello? Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas blizzard, everybody. I guess we'll go inside so CJ doesn't lose her legs.
It's not Christmas.
It is Christmas. When Thanksgiving's over, Christmas starts. I saw it on the internet. This is gonna be so mad at you.
At me?
Yeah, you let me go outside in Christmas blizzard. Internet! Look what she did.
This is in no way my fault. I am not taking responsibility for this.
I wish Alina was here. She would appreciate a Christmas blizzard.
Well, then I'd have two of you drunk and disorderly.
Or there'd be two of you being all uptight and annoying.
Make sure you edit that part in so she knows that.
Just a 37-year-old lady. I'm an adult, everybody.
Do I need to go get the tripod?
This is what an adult looks like. No, you should turn it off before I make an asshole out of myself.
Too late!
This is the face of a chick who has drank too much wine and talked too much shit, and her husband is upstairs. Oh, the hiccups. Running a World of Darkness game. Like she's not ready to go to bed. Hiccup.
So I understand that it is closer to Thanksgiving than it is Christmas. However, my neighbor's decorations indicate that it is Christmas, and thus it is a motherfucking Christmas blizzard. Christmas blizzard.
Okay, so thank you guys all for watching. I'll see you guys all on Friday for my regularly scheduled live stream, as I do every Friday. And I hope you have a wonderful week and good writing. Bye! weird to like have all this weird background, because I don't usually have any background, so I keep looking at the background and not at the actual, like, where the camera is. Like, I don't know how to film a video. It's no way to look at it. Hold on, let me open the door so I can get the depth. It's lovely.
It's not giving it any extra light. Hang on.
Shut up, yes it is.